Sit tall and comfortable in any meditation position and place your hands on the knees. Exhale forcefully through both your nostrils. Inhalation are shallow while exhalation are forceful and deep. This asana flushes out toxic air from your body, which helps in improving supply of oxygen to the brain, resulting in reducing stress and enhancing beauty of your body. It also helps in losing belly fat. Always do palming at the end of every asana. It relaxes our optic nerves when it is immediately exposed to light. Sit comfortably in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Make a pranayama mudra by your fingers. Use your thumb to press the right nostril and inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril until you fill your lungs with maximum air. Exhale slowly with your right nostril. Repeat this circle for 20 times or as many times as you are comfortable with. This asana transports oxygen to our nervous system, which calms our mind and relaxes the body. It also reduces heat of our body and improves focus and concentration, resulting in improvement in overall health. Sit erect in meditation position with your hands on your knees. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Keep your inhalation and exhalation duration same. You may increase or decrease the speed of inhalation and exhalation as per your comfortability level. Do it for 5 minutes. This asana opens blockages and ensures even flow of oxygen in your body and mind. It reduces stress and improves concentration. Sit comfortably and erect. You have to place your index fingers on your forehead and remaining fingers on your eyes. Close your ears with your thumb. Inhale deeply and as you exhale, make a humming sound like a bee. Repeat this for 5 minutes. This breathing technique releases frustration and anger from your mind, resulting in improving concentration, lowering stress and hypertension. It also opens blockages and ensures even flow of oxygen in your body and mind. Sit erect, keeping your hands on the knees in meditation position. Inhale deeply and exhale while chanting Om. Do this for 5 minutes. It relaxes mind and refreshes our nervous system, which helps in stress reduction, better concentration, which also gives better health.